Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix voicemail notification not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video first of all if you want to fix this problem. So restart device, just click and hold power button and you will restart device from here. After restart device you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on do not disturb. Make sure turn off do not disturb button. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. After click on reset phone, click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix voicemail notification not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.